Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why Turkey banned Discord. We'll cover the primary reasons behind this significant decision, which has impacted many users. The Turkish government cited serious concerns regarding illegal activities occurring on the platform. Additionally, Discord's stance on user data sharing played a crucial role in the authorities' decision to implement the ban. Understanding these factors is key to grasping the full context. The Turkish government highlighted several critical issues leading to the ban. They reported allegations of severe criminal activities, such as child sexual abuse, blackmail, and doxing, taking place on Discord. Furthermore, authorities noted content that appeared to glorify violence, including a recent murder case. A major point of contention was Discord's refusal to share user information, including IP addresses and content, with Turkish security units, hindering investigations. This ban didn't occur in isolation. It's part of a broader context. Public outcry over criminal activities, including the murder of 2 women in Istanbul, intensified scrutiny on platforms like Discord. Turkey has a history of implementing internet censorship and restricting access to various social media platforms. Notably, other popular platforms, such as Roblox, were also blocked due to similar child safety concerns, indicating a consistent regulatory approach. The ban has had a substantial impact, cutting off millions of Discord users in Turkey from their online communities. This disruption affects not only social interactions, but also various businesses and projects that rely on the platform for communication. The future of Discord's availability in Turkey will likely depend on potential negotiations and compliance with local regulations. For those looking for other great deals, remember to check the description for links to useful products, like those leak-proof meal prep containers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.